Alrighty, dighty do. Howdy everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today, we are looking at a new UI on PortSwigger Academy, PortSwigger Labs, and going to do cover on our race condition 7 out of 29. We are trying to at least cover two of these things, right? So detecting and exploiting limit overrun race condition with turbo intruder. Let me open, given it says intruder, probably need to open this guy here. And hidden multi-step sequences. Then after that, tomorrow, I think by the end of the week, we will have covered majority of these, like methodology for identifying and exploiting race conditions, multi-endpoint race conditions, single endpoint race conditions, session-based locking mechanism, partial construction of race condition, time-sensitive, and prevent race condition vulnerabilities. Hope today is Tuesday. Actually, I'm not sharing my screen. Never mind. Sorry. Okay. So as I was saying, we'll try. Hopefully, we are able to do these two today, and then work over these. Today is Tuesday, so hopefully, like in next 2 days, we are able to do this. And I want to continue back, like hack the box or some TryHackMe boxes over the Friday and the weekend. That's the plan, right? Let's see if we can, like, if there is on TryHackMe. I don't know if there is any hack the box race conditions related rooms. Let's see. Maybe I'll ask in the Discord too. That might be helpful. Dogbite, what's up, homie? Yo, Robert, quick question. Did you should we do like more on I want to I enjoyed personally I enjoyed doing that the hacking, the hack the box one. It was nice just giving like a good, overview of okay, I need to do a little bit more hacking and not get into the tutorial hell. But what do you think? Like I want to know your opinion. Like, do you think it's fun? Like, you guys are able to do it? Oh, you were. Oh, yes, you were not there. Yeah, yeah. But we did it before, right? Like, so, I think one of the try hackneys. What do you think about those? Are those more fun? Because I'm thinking like to do more of those. Like, it would help in like mindset development as we do it. Yeah, yeah. I think to do those as well, too. Sorry, I'm trying to like pass this captcha. Stupid captcha here. Bro, this captcha is stupid as hell. How many more does it got? Okay, fuck that. I'm not logging in TryHackMe. Fuck it. But yeah, I think CTFs I will do. Like I'm trying to because this is a really cool one. I want to I think do a little bit learning less and doing more. Hopefully we are able to do that and like learn on the as we go through it. My body is aching. Okay. Excuse me. But good part is with PortSwigger, I think we are doing these right. Basically, we are doing hacking as well as learning. So that's one good thing about PortSwigger I like. But yeah, I think like I should just strictly have Fridays and Saturdays just for the CTF challenges to have fun. Because those are fun. Like I enjoy doing those. Not going to lie. Okay, I think we are in the mark. So let's get started with detecting predictable schedule for those for. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. And I think like because I start having like 6 a.m. morning meetings, so I will be almost coming around like 8 to 8:30 more often easily than this. I just like because I made my breakfast, I have my tea, um, freshen up, took a good shower, right? So able to do all those. So it's way better. Start days off with the lab. Days oh like the weekends like days off. Oh, start my day with the lab. Oh, I see. But the problem is that I won't have enough time to like cover any topic though. That's the issue, right? IRL days. Hyder, what's up, bro? Man, that's the first word I'm hearing. Oh man, I think yeah. Need to think. Maybe I should create like a good. Yeah, I think like creating a ratio would be nice. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? 4 days of learning, 2 days of just hacking, or even like Monday, Wednesday, work, study, Wednesday hacking, Thursday, Friday study, Saturday hacking, like something like that, right? Let's see. I think, but I have a good idea too what you are saying, and I think I'm on the same page as you. Yeah. Okay. So let's get started, lads, with our PortSwigger new UI hacking labs with my Oracle box up, my Kali. So let's get started with detecting and exploiting limit overrun race conditions with Turbo Intruder. In addition to providing native support for the single packet attack in Burp Repeater, we have also enabled the Turbo Intruder extension to support this technique. You can download the latest version from the B App Store. Turbo Intruder requires some proficiency in Python, but is suited for more complex attacks, such as the ones that require multiple retirees, staggered request timing, or an extremely large number of requests. Dude, I have no idea why it didn't go. But we have something called Turbo Intruder extension on the B App Store. Okay, that's interesting. Have you guys played with this extension? Yo, I saved the state last time you mentioned, right? B App Store. Okay, is there a way to search? Is this a place for burp extension? Yeah, no, I know that. Oh, I think I looked at your resume, bro. Just couple of things I had, but like rest was looking good. The if I'm not wrong, if I think it was yours, I looked at. Yeah. Sorry, I'm being like I looked at it. I just my brain has been so much into different things. Like I've just have been one after the other. I've like stuff, especially from work. I've been like a bit stressed. Yes, I think just Wrench, do me a favor. As soon as I'm done my evening stream, right? Just text me. As soon as just DM me. As soon as I'm done with my evening stream, just do DM me. I think that would be the easiest way to grab me. There's AWS and stuff. Damn, there's a lot. Why I'm not able to search? Why my control is not working? Okay. Can I search in this? Okay. Like what? Why do I need to get in? 2025-7-4. You should not get angry, bro. There's a lot of things that will make you angry anyways. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. What was the name? Turbo Intruder. Can I install this? Okay, popularity is pretty high. Turbo Intruder is Burp Suite extension for sending large number of HTTP requests, analyzing system, fast, flexible. This is cool. Good job. Memory low, medium CPU, time low, scanner low. Okay. Okay. Oh, PyJam like a whole library. Maybe, wait, I can check, right? It should say something. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. Okay. Yeah. So we have that. Let me just exit this guy. Oh, also, do me a favor, Wrench, please. Do me a favor on Hack the Box. Let me know what is like a good race condition or file inclusion or SSRF related Hack the Box retired labs. Let's do that. I want to do those, like two of those this week. Two streams should be about those. So we just require proficiency in Python. Okay. Let's see what. And then UI, I like this UI so much better. Detecting and exploiting. Sure, that'll be nice. I would love. I want to like do more of these, so I would love to. Okay, so detecting and exploiting. Okay, limit overrun race conditions with Turbo Intruder. To use single packet attack in Turbo Intruder, ensure the target supports HTTP2. The single packet attack is incompatible with the HTTP1 version. What is this attack though? They didn't mention. Okay. Oh, limit run, like, oh, the one we did last time. Okay. Set engine equal burp 2. Okay. And concurrent connections 1 configuration options for the request engine. When queuing your requests, group them by assessing them with the name using name get using gate argument. Okay, so it is like a bit of Python. Queue request engine, endpoint we give, concurrent connections, and engine we are giving. 20 requests in gate 1. Okay. So basically, CTF, I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Howdy, Anshul. See, yo, this is actually quick question. I think this is basically doing is the turbo is same as the other one, but this is like just faster, right? With this extension. Boxes are full on labs where root is final goal and challenges get one flag. Okay. ये सब तो होता है. Okay, like both will work as long as there is some kind of like regarding SSRF or race condition I can do. Let's do on Saturday, Anshul. Let's do on Saturday. Okay. Ren, send me regarding this too. I would like to look into this then more. This lab's login mechanism uses rate limiting to defend against brute force attacks. However, this can be bypassed due to race conditions. Work out how to exploit race conditions to bypass the rate limit. So we have Carlos, Wiener Peter. Delete the user. Passwords are these. Okay. Oh wow. Carlos' password changes every time. Okay, let's see. Let's do this lab quick. I think he meant 69, bro. Total girls 69. Okay, let's look into this. So TurboTax is Turbo, not tax. Turbo Intruder is here. Holy hell, what did I just say? Tax season is coming. My brain is actually that also. I have to look into it, like see how I can pay less taxes, man. Okay. Wait, how do I access this though? Augur extension, repeat. Turbo Intruder, okay. Run script. DQ, okay, I have this. X-range this. User share dictionary word. So I can just like create, let's say, this. Ah, just don't pay tax. Okay. You are on IRS list, right? Now, have you seen the Joker actually being scared of IRS? Not Batman, but IRS. Have you seen that clip? RC lab we have. Why is it? Okay. Want to make sure if I'm on the right side. Where is it? Where is it? RCE lab. Okay, cool. Oh, I should have increased the font. 1 second, lads. I will increase the font to home Kali RCE underscore labs or lab. Send the script on Discord, okay? Ooh, Tibrus. Okay, you sent that. Okay, I'm just thinking. I'm just reading. 1 second, I have to do one simple thing. I have to do first is font. This one is good. This one is good too. Okay, and what they want us to do. So we have this in 15 minutes lab sets. My account is here, okay. And I have that in here, right? No. Um, Wiener Peter. Oh, my account, I logged in. Okay, cool. Okay. Work on how to exploit race condition by successfully brute force the password for user card loss. Okay. First, so I think I can give you one answer, bro, if you would like. First is don't look desperate. That one thing I can give you easily. Desperation never helps, bro. And being rich, yeah, that helps big time. So, nah, desperation is big, man. Because rich people are never desperate. No, but if you are rich, that's one of the things being rich, right? Don't be so desperate. You know things will come. It will make it. Things will work out as long as you're on the right track. But okay, TurboTax here. Turbo Intruder is here. We have the request engine, request per connection. Connections are one, I think. For X in range 10 to 20. Queue request. Why we have this as the range? Wait, concurrent connections. Yeah, like number of concurrent connections we need is just one, right? They were mentioning like number of concurrent connections, one. That is like just a different thing. That's a different thing. Uh, no, I'm not able to get in. So we have here number of concurrent connections is one. Request per connection is 100. BTech? I first read that as BTech, not even that like the other word. I read as BTech. 20 requests, burp threaded, no, burp 2, right? Howdy, Ghost. Burp 2 pipeline, I think we don't need right now, so that's fine. Word in this, yes, strip, target request, okay. I want to see get example.com. I don't need for example.com. Oh, and now I see it. I am allowing. I just saw that on the left line. I was like, do you want to allow this? I was like, hell yeah. Okay, going back. We have the proxy. Let's turn on the proxy quickly. I have to first go over here, right? Like, first be here. Right click on the left click. What? Okay. Let's see. One second. Let me figure a little bit out. Okay, we have this. my account. Let's say if I go and I want this to be intercepted, log in, send this to repeater or intruder. Now if I want to run this, how will I send turbo intruder bulk turbo? Okay. Here you want, right? That's what you were talking about? Oh, right click, not the left click. But I think this will do the job. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. And I want user to be Carlos. And you were saying I have to do here? Okay. Percentage S here. Okay. And then this will turn to home Kali RCE underscore lab. I just need concurrent connections. Do I need 5 and request per connection? Do I even need that? I don't think so, right? Where is attack here? Did you say bro? It doesn't make sense, bro. Oh, here. It looks very weird. I sent so many of those. Wait, one was 2000. Okay. Uh, just thinking. We don't need that many connections. That's the thing. And we already reached a limit. I think I did it wrong way though. That's what I was thinking. Hold this, configure back. 1 second. I just need one connection. 100 requests per condition. 20 should be the range. That's fine. Now I want to attack. I think this is a better way. But I don't need multiple connections. Yeah, maybe because of the 5 connection, 20 requests. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, first I think I'm just looking at the number of length, right? Based on the length, it should tell me something. How many were there? Yeah, where is everyone? But like, quick question. For example, this one. Too many requests. Too many requests. Need to do something different then. There are 49. Yeah, like configure it somehow differently. Okay. Let's read a little bit about this turbo one. What are the configurations we can do? Turbo Intruder Burp Suite. Embracing the billion request attack. Okay, that is interesting word or stuff here. How can I make it like you are saying make it more fast, but like how? Because like we have one connection. How many requests? Is it like my question here is maybe help me out, right? If I increase the number of requests, is that the thing? Do I need to do that? Maybe let's say if I do 50, let's try that. Okay, let's try. Does that mean like 50 requests will be sent all in one? You have failed. The timer has run out. Okay, good job. Restart the lab. Halt. Configure. Oh, burp 2. Burp 2. Pipeline is not needed. Yes, there are other methods. Like I'm just thinking like, okay, we have this, right? They are saying a billion request parameter. I want to know what exactly I'm doing wrong. So I can use something like this in future too, right? Right? Like something has to be there is something I am doing wrong because if this extension is like so big, so many people are using it. It's a skill issue in this case. It's not a this thing. Right? Like it's something is there. Okay, I can close this guy. 0404A and stuff, blah blah blah. Okay, this is good. Let me start now. Unknown, what's up, bro? How are you? How are you doing, my friend? Yes, PortSwigger Academy. They got a new UI, bro. They got a new UI in the last couple of days. Same packet with different. Yes, yes. Like how they are sending it, like what I am doing wrong, right? That's my question. Oh, that's in the. Let me do this. Uh, hold this. Configure this. Close this guy. There's another one that just came. Open browser. I need to save this script before I lose this. Oh, stuck in traffic? Nem. India traffic is brutal. Rather than concurrent. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one request got it wrong was here. My account, this one. I have to make sure the why this is not working. Why things are not working right now? It usually works. Like if I don't know what's happening with my keyboard. Okay, we have here right send to turbo bulk turbo RCE and stuff burp 2 right. Just change this here with percentage S. Let me see the payload first. Oh, dang it. Yes, you're right. Carlos. Thank you. Thanks, Wrench. Oh, nice. Came to eat with Monday with a nice, nice. Dude, that's awesome. Why payload is going just like this? This doesn't make something is wrong. I don't have that. No, there's something wrong. The configuration. RCE labs. Word in queue is this. Why is going somewhere else? Yeah, once I'm doing is endpoint is this concurrent yes. Okay. Say raise single packet attack.py template. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Word list and stuff. Okay. Oh, this is what we were doing wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's okay. We learned something. We learned something. Where's the word list I have to give now? This is the script. Where do I have to give the word list? That's the question. You were having suffering too with me. You can't like play that. I know you were like we both were trying to figure it out. You can't blame that on me, boss. And you wouldn't have message a cry one. You would have pointed that out. I know you. Word lists. Wait, you can't share streak? One second, let me see. I have no idea. Interesting. I will have a look. Can you send me an image? Like, okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Right. But yo, how to do a word list? Like, how do I define where to do the word list? Should mention somewhere. Where is it, like, quick question though, like, how, where do I tell like which word list to use? If the target supports a, okay, for more information. The gate argument. Okay, so it will now I understand what it will do. It will get all the requests done in one go and send them. But like I'm not getting the fact like where the word list is we are going to put. Do you guys get it? Make your own. You know, I have the word list, but where I'm mentioning the word list? That's my question. Because I have the word list. Password? Where? Where is password? No. No, this. What is this? What is this? Tell me where this is coming. Where this is being called. That's what I want to know. And the one we had, last use code, it also had word list. Yeah, that's what we would need. Quest word strip gate race one. I think this will do, right? I hate this. This will do the job. So for every word in this, like do this and then open it. Okay. Let's try this. Ashish, good morning, boss. How you doing? Okay, beautiful. Oh boy, that was freaking fast. Okay, I think this is the one. All in one. Now I think lengthwise somewhere. We have to make it way faster, a bit more faster. Okay. It said 120 seconds, right? So basically 2 minutes. Okay, I'll send you the link, boss. It will reset soon. That's just FYI. So we have to reset it. Ashish, after I shared the link, did you got like more replies? Did somebody reached out to you? I'm going to send the thing you wrote to someone. Let's see if that person replies or like gets something. It's okay if it is solved in your mind too, but like at least I want to know I'm able to get the password by myself, right? And we both have to wait because the rate limit has reached anyway. So invalid CSRF token. Yep, that would be the issue though. Okay, sure. First I just need this. Whatever is this does. Send to turbo Carlos percentage S attack. Yes, I got 700 plus impression, 3 connection requests, 20 likes and reaction. One guy reached out regarding how we can pivot from developers. Nice, nice. So you are getting people to look at your stuff. You are getting the attention, which is good, man. Yeah, I think we got it. You have failed the attack. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. At least I'm something. We are reaching somewhere, I feel like. Restart the lab. My account. Test. Okay. Send to intruder. Have you started Python, Ashish? Need to start Python too, boss. Wait, something happened. There should be 302 requests for found. Dang it, I didn't get it. You got it? I'm the fresher too. I'm not in the budget. Yeah, that's good, man. That's how it works, right? Okay. Sounds goody good, boss. Where's the script, boss? In Python? Okay, let's try this one then. I'm actually enjoying this one. Not going to lie, I'm actually like happy with we went for this lab. There's something we did. 60 seconds should be over soon. Should I just go for attack? Let's go. No. Invalid. The good part is your one is coming with invalid username and stuff. 302 didn't came, but like you can look at this one. So interesting thing I will tell you this about your one. Right? One thing is in your case, majority of them are just like in mine too, some of them is coming as invalid and stuff. So we just have to check these ones now. So which is great. We can just change this. Dang it. Should have looked at it. How I will do is there's so many requests, right? Okay. I'm just thinking like, can't we just divide this list? Yeah, can't we just divide this list? I will wait, but can't we divide this list into two? If like, but this doesn't work because if they are sending billion requests, we are not able to send like 50 for their attack versus our attack. Okay, I will wait, right? But let's look at what they are doing. This is a 21-minute video. Fast, turbo, flexible, and stuff. I'm currently more busy towards applications, PowerShell, and stock level learning path on T. Yeah, try Python, bro, because at least you will be able to get development experience and that can help you get a job faster. I want to understand this. Extension turbo, this. To begin with, you will probably just want to change this to for a more suitable word list. I think this is something to just look into over a weekend. Like, send the link for the new lab. I will just solve your for now. Nice, bro. I'm into. One second, let me just check. This is. It's the same link. It's the same link. It's the same link, boss. We have to wait for 240 seconds. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do, right? See, we have master, QWERTY, these ones. You see the word length. Dragon, Superman. I'm just going to take a quick screenshot of this. And I'm just going to focus on these ones now. We know invalid is in here. This is invalid. Why to try it and waste our limit, right? Basically, that's my thing. Quickly, let me go over here. Pictures, screenshots. Right, so now let's do this way. Dragon, we have Superman. I think after this, Oh boy. 000. This one is there. 777. Baseball is there. This one is there. Superman is freaking hell. Is this X1 is here? Michael is here. Okay, so now starting from top, Dragon is here, Superman is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0 is here, 1, 2, 1, 2 is here, 777 is here, Baseball is here, yeah, Baseball is here, 1Q is here, X something is here, Michael is here, and 000 is here. Okay, I think we are ready, right? Let's start the attack. 65 seconds still left. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. 65 seconds still left. That's fine. You have something new? Oh no. Okay. But yeah, like, do you, Rich, or anyone here? I think, excuse me, lads. I think we need to go over this video. Turbo Intruder abusing HTTP miss feature to X-rate attacks. I have to go over this video, man. This is this is something you have to go through, right? Oh, Turbo Intruder has settings, so that's where we can change it. No, settings. Oh, font size 17. It's not working. Let's see. Okay. How many seconds is that on there? Okay, I think I'll try. But this is so fucking stupid at this point. I don't like it. I'm with you, Wrench. Now I'm with you. 480 seconds, I'm not waiting for that. Invalid, invalid, invalid. Everything came as almost invalid then. This is invalid. What about this? Invalid. So this is invalid. This is this. So we have X, 1Q, and Superman left. So the password has to be in one of these three, right? Well, I don't understand. Like, if we this extension is sending like so many, why some are just? It's not. I need to get into this extension, and that means like 4 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do this lab. Try to complete this one today. Nice, bro. But like, I'm just unhappy with the result right now, and there is like no one stop like documentation quick one on this, which popularity is still high, which makes sense. It's a great one. It's not doing the job I want. Oh, you restarted my lab? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let me do one thing quick. What I want is this. Thank you, bro, for letting me know. Sketches? What sketches? Like sketch of mine? 302 found. Okay. You found it? Like, what happened with that? Yeah, I like sketches. But like, yo, why this is not working? You tell me. Like, I can create a different tag, like with the repeater here or like intruder here. I can do this one, right? Add here, simple list. I paste list from here, let's say, or load basically. Kali desktop. Where is the RCE lab? Where's the RCE lab? Oh, it has to be in the home. Yeah, it is in the home. Yeah, yeah. Every time we restart, I know that one. Yo, thank you for follow us. Welcome to the family. Oh, here's the Discord if you want to, and I keep forgetting to mention that in this. I got you, man. I got you. I think you got me, but this time I got myself. Thank you, the rover. Thank you, man. Uh, wait, no, I want to send it to repeater actually. I should have sent it to repeater. Yo, Wrench, can you send me the key then? Yes, yes, you have. Let me turn this off for a second. Log out. My neck hurts a lot. Repeater. No, has to be intruder. If I'm changing it that way. Check the lab. What lab? This lab? Invalid CSR token. Fucking. It should be solved, right? Like it should come as solved, I believe. That's what you mean. Yeah. But like I want to know the password still, man. I'm actually like into this game. I want to see the password. I want to know. No, like you can log in as Wiener Peter. That's not the issue. The thing is like you Wiener Peter, you know what it works. We need to find for Carlos with a brute force attack. Password was 1234. Okay, let me try this. What happened? Yeah. Yes, sir. Invalid a CSRF token. Yes, sir. You are right, Rover. You don't know what you're talking about, but you are 100% right all the time. You might be a APT, who knows? Carlos, percentage S. I am a little getting angry. Yes, that is true. Not going to lie. I am getting a bit angry. But the problem is everybody's saying this is such a good one, blah blah blah. But like, why the heck is not then doing what it's supposed to do? Like, why there is no documentation? Point one, good ones. There's video, 40-minute video. I can't log in as Carlos. 45 freaking. Dude, what the ranch? Why you do that? Why did you do that? You don't have to delete it. You were just supposed to look for his login and access the admin panel. Why you deleted the user? Why you deleted this user? I can't just reset it. I need like range. Yes, the lab said delete the user. You were not supposed to delete the user, boss. When somebody else is also on it. This time you did it accidentally, but this is what you said you will be doing. Dang it. Dang it, Ranch. All good, bro. All good. Happens. Hey, if it is meant to happen, it will happen. You can't do anything about it. So here's the thing. We have 15 minutes. Carlos password changes and stuff. I don't think it will be recreated. So I have to like end the stream right now because there is nothing else we can do. But like, let's look at the solution, I guess, and then we can. Yeah, no, I know it's not your fault, bro. Don't worry. I'm not mad. I'm the only thing I'm mad at is that extension, and I have to go through a video today to make sure I understand it. No, don't worry. Don't worry. I will just read through the solution right now. And today I will go through this video to understand what I am doing wrong. So tomorrow, the very first thing we'll do is complete the CTF and then move to the next topic. So I'm not mad at you. Don't worry. Okay, experiment the login function by intentionally submitting it. Observe that if you enter the incorrect password more than 3 times, you're temporarily blocked. Try logging in arbitrary usernames. So yes, we did that. So with the repeater, we could have done this, which I was trying to do. Oh, don't worry. No, I have to go as well, like for work. It's like 9:40. Send the group reset again. Send to Turbo Intruder. We do that. Username this. I had no idea Windows.clipboard will get everything from our like clipboard. That's crazy. So we were there. Like, let's see.
Hello newbies! Welcome to my new video. In today's video we are going. Hello newbies! So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add our password then and right on. We selected already and you see that selected when you are using passwords and come in here and write split and I'm going to split it. So let me now in here and change the gate with 1 and the
Yeah.
open gate to 1 and let me back in here and here we go guys. It was very
No, like we did the same thing. It was just the. I think we need the Burp Suite Pro for it. So we are on the right track. There's nothing we. Which is a good thing, at least. The fact we know we are on the right track. timer has stopped, so it's not going to. Yeah, I think like let's wait for tomorrow. Like yeah, like we don't need it. I don't know why it's not working though, because we actually did everything they're doing, right? If you look at our payload, our code, I mean, he has a word list like this. We did it. Password in the password. We did this. Race one gate, right? So we did everything they thought. No, the guy did it in one go. The guy did it in one go. R1 should have worked in one go as well. Like, see this.
percentage is. So if you didn't select it in here, it doesn't change to percentage s. So please be careful when you are using a turbo intruder. And now I have console, and let me create an array. So first to split, press enter, copy the object. So let me start. So guys, it was very easy. So close this one, and let me back
So he did the attack. Simple
to
thing.
one, and let me start the attack.
Did
So
the
let me
attack.
close this one,
Got it done.
and let me back in here. And here we go, guys. It was very easy.
It was very easy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nah. I still think like we did everything right. Like I don't for some technical reason things are not working, so I'm going to test it myself today. Yeah, let's see. No, so here what you are saying that we tried certain attacks, we didn't wait for it to be over and this. Yes, but Wrench, here are two things we did, right? Two things to know, answer them. If that what you are saying. The guy in YouTube video did exactly the steps we did and he got it in one try. Because his burp intruder thing, code is same, our code is same, his one worked, our one didn't. That's one. Right? Second, right? Like answer these two things based on what you are saying. Second was that we divided, like we ran the script for the first time. Things which we got invalid password for, we removed it. And second, when we ran, it didn't work for us because the second list was way smaller. We waited for the timeout, right? So I'm going to try like let's end the session for today for now, and then I'm going to try. I'm going to try it over during the day and like see how things work. I have to get back to work too because there's so much work I have today, and this doesn't look promising. Craig Kesha, what's up, bro? How you doing? How are you, man? Yeah, dog bite coming in clutch. Yeah, dude. So I think, but this was like a good extension for Burp Suite we learned today, right? A billion requests. This lab, man, this lab. I wish there was a reset button for the lab. Who is most pro here in field? Sure, like, dude, I'm not the best with SOC, but I think if you join the Discord which Wrench shared, there is a lot of people, and if you are interested, right, with someone who can actually help little bit mentor you as well, great person would be Ashish in that. He has been writing a lot about those. Um, I have no idea, bro. A different kind of grind. Oh, you're playing poker. Nice. So actually, like if you talk to Ashish boss here, he can actually help you with like some SOC level stuff. He's a great guy. He wrote a really good blog as well. Let me share the blog. His LinkedIn profile and this blog. Have a look at this and talk to Ashish. He's a good one. You can talk about more and see. Talk to him more and see. But yeah, right now I have to go. I have to get back to work. So thank you everyone for joining. And here's the Discord link again. It's in the pin chat, and I'll send it here as well. What certification to do? SOC one. I think there is. I won't say TryHackMe one. I have heard SOC certs. I think there are. I have to just see. If you are into cloud, I think just go with Azure. SOC one is good. I know that. Let's see if there is any. CSA is good one. I think I've heard of it. And TCM also have a couple of good ones. So if you go with any of these ones, TCM, I'm not saying SANS more. There is SANS is also good, but there sometimes can be harder. So try TCM is good, and also Microsoft can be good in that case. I think the best help you can get CCD. Okay. Yeah, like, or if you can just ask in Discord, I'm not the best with SOC. Like, I'm not the best person about SOC related stuff. But if you go in Discord, there are people who have a lot more interest than me and can help you. But yeah, I have to go. I'm not feeling good on my neck right now. I have to go take some medicine and like put some bandage on. But thank you so much, lads, for joining. Um, Keshav said something. Wait, what? I have Google cybersecurity verification, but nobody wants it. Jobs are asking for. Yeah, that's a hard one. I understand what you're saying. Because Google certificate is like a free one, nobody cares more. How can you? One thing I can say is that is good you have that certification. There's nothing bad about it. What you can do is start by creating a GitHub like Ashish does, right? I told him this thing. So he's working his GitHub. I think he has. So he's into SOC and stuff. His GitHub. Where is his GitHub? You mentioned here. So look at what he's doing, right? He's setting enterprise SOC labs, right? Trying to make things so that everybody can, So start with this, right? See if you are able to create these and get a good GitHub profile, because you can tell the company that, hey, I have a GitHub profile, I have these many stars and forks on my profile, and then from that move forward, right? You can say, hey, the only reason I could not do the certificate because this is very expensive, I can't afford it. But if given a chance with your company, I can actually like within 3 months before the probation period ends, I can complete the certification. Yeah, so Ashish is here. Like, you, Keshav, you can talk to Ashish. Like he mentioned, 16K rupees. That's like how much? That's $200. Yeah, that's like around $200. So that's a great price. Or less than around 200, 250. So that's a great price. Do talk to him. You might be able to get it for cheap, right? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Keshav, do talk to Ashish. He's in Discord. He's in Discord, right? He's doing a lot of SOC related stuff, amazing things, and writing blogs and stuff. So join hands with him, and you can probably get some guidance. Okay, but till then, thank you so much, everyone. Sorry, I have to leave early. I have work, and my body is actually hurting. So I'll see you guys in the evening for some Leetcode or Die series. Till then, thank you so much. Have a good one. This was your favorite censored hacker, signing off with a big bye. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good night or a good day.